I'm Nancy, pampered with diamonds, and I got a package from Ever After Diamond Painting. What did I get? I won a gift card from Diamond Nana, and I got a diamond painting I won a gift card from Ever After Diamond Painting. And I already showed you the Emma Casey project I picked out, and it's beautiful. It's slithering in pink. So if you haven't seen it, go back and watch it because it is beautiful. Well, I got another beautiful painting. This one is called Radiant Sunflower by Kielea McGee. Oh, now I already broke a nail. If you saw the video, you know. So I am not going to break another nail because I don't have many left to break. So I used my scissors. Oh, nice. Oh, look at that. Oh, you can't. Okay. As usual, you get your inventory sheet. This one I don't think is as big as the slithering in pink, which is how I wanted it. So, this is what I got. Isn't that beautiful? Radiant Sunflower. It's 35 centimeters by 35 centimeters. Let's see if I can figure this out now. See if my phone will do this. No, come on. 35 centimeters is... Okay. 13.78 inches by 13.78 inches is what my smartphone said. So 35 by 35 is 13.78. Look at this. 45 colors. But I don't see any ABs or Forever Dust. Oh, but there is. It says it right here. It's a square drill, 1 AB, 2 fairy dust. Awesomeness. Oh, it's not 45 colors. Hold on. This is the first sheet. Ah, she tricked me. Ever After tricked me. There's 82 colors. There's 2 sheets. 1 AB, 2 Forever Dust. And I'll probably add a crystal because you know me. Okay. All right. Here is the toolkit. I think you guys are familiar with that already. This is your wax. And your pretty tweezers. Create your own fairy tale. I like those. I'm going to keep those tweezers. And so there's your tip. We're going to put the squishy on this way. See, it goes right on. So you put that back on. Way good. And I do like the baggies. So I'm going to keep those, your typical tray, and I'm going to put one of these purple things in here. Beautiful. And I am keeping this. I like the container, and I like the purple wax, and I like that tweezer. Oh, this is a nice little size. Yep, it is 13. It's a square. Look at this, guys. Oh my. Oh, you know what I didn't do on the other one? The stick is great. And look at the drill feel. Beautiful. Oh, this is beautiful. Love it. And it's self-flattening. Look at all of these colors. Oh my gosh. They are so pretty. So I ordered a round and a square canvas so I could look at both of them and give a fair assessment on them. So, oh, all right. Look at that. Yep, 82 colors. 82 colors in this project. Look at how small this is. And the other one was 65. But the color schematic are completely different between Slithering and Pink and this one. I mean, the artists are completely different, have a different style. Okay. There. There's our ABs. This is our Forever Dust. And that's a Forever Dust. Look how pretty. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Oh, no. Don't fall out. Don't fall out. They put them in here so nice and neat. Don't fall out. I will do inventory on these. You know how I do that. Okay, so this is number 81, and it's the ampersand, and it's going to go in here. Beautiful. Oh, is there? No. Yep, it's going to go right in here, all around. And on this side too. Pretty. This one, number 80, and it's the black square, and it's going to go on the outside of the center of the sunflower. Nice. And then number 82 is the two triangle dots next to each other, and they're going to go in here. There's some right there, right here. There's a bunch in here. So I might put some crystals in the center of the flower when I do this one. What do you think? Should I put some crystals in the middle or try and outline the sunflower? Now I might have to re-watch these videos to see what I have asked you guys, because I don't know. I won't remember. So let's look at the other colors. All right, let's put this light, because it worked out really good last time. There we go. Look at those drills. Look at those colors. Look at that. Look at that one. Oh. Oh, these are beautiful. Okay. Look at that. Oh, awesome. They're so pretty. And I don't see much trash in them. Let me pull out a dark one. I don't see much trash in here at all, guys. Look at that. No holes, nothing hollow, no strange lines. All right, let me see. Where's another dark one? A little bit further down. It's usually the dark colors out. And here's our dreaded 310. Beautiful. I don't see any trash in that either. And these are the square ones. They look very pretty. You can see that right here. No holes. Very nice. Very nice. Isn't that pretty? That's pretty. Very nice. Very nice, very nice. Little bit of static in the bags, but nothing a fabric sheet can't handle. I like it. I like it a lot. Ooh, here's this pink. Look at that. Pretty. Oh, guys, this is going to be really, really pretty. Okay. Are you all happy with the way I have shown these two kits? I will show it again when I go to work on them. But if you would like me to show a little more detail, let me know. I can go through each color. I can also do it as an ASMR, which I might. Oh, I might show it as an ASMR when I kit it up so that you'll hear the pouring of the drills. Okay, let me shut this off. So, I like it. What about you? I love that sunflower. It is so pretty. So, so pretty. All right, guys, that's what I have for you today. So remember to be kind to everyone